I am not going to get up today. By Dr. Seuss. Please let me be. Please go away. I am not going to get up today. Ring. The alarm can ring. The birds can peep. My bed is warm. My pillow is deep. Today is the day I am going to sleep. I don't care if kids are getting up right now all over town. I am the kid who isn't getting up. I am staying down. All around the world, they are getting up, and that's okay with me. Let the kids get up in Switzerland or Memphis or Tennessee. Let the kids get up in Alaska and in China. I don't care. Let the kids get up in Italy. Let the kids get up in Spain. Let them get up in Massachusetts and Connecticut and Maine. Let the kids get up in London and in Paris and Berlin. Let them get up all they want to, but not me. I am sleeping in. I have never been so sleepy since I can't remember when. You can take away my breakfast, give my egg back to the hen. Nobody is going to get me up, no matter what he does. Today is my day for woozy, snoozy, zzzz. You can tickle my feet, you can shake my bed. You can pour cold water on my head, but you are wasting your time. So go away. I am not going to get up today. In bed is where I'm going to stay, and I don't care what the neighbors say. I never liked them anyway. Let them try to wake me. Let them scream and yawl and yelp. They can yelp from now till Christmas. But it isn't going to help. My bed is warm, my pillow is deep. Today is the day I'm going to sleep. I don't choose to be up walking. I don't choose to be up talking. The only thing I am choosing is to lie here, woozy snoozing. So won't you kindly go away? I am not going to get up today. You won't get me up with a strawberry flip. You won't get me up with a marshmallow dip or a pineapple butterscotch ding dang too. My tongue is asleep and my teeth are too. You can try with dogs and roosters, you can try with goats and geese, but I'm going to go on snoozing. You can bring in the police. You can print it in the papers, spread the news all over town, but nothing's going to get me up. Today I'm staying down. You can shoot at me with peas and beans. You can bring in the United States Marines. You can put the whole thing on TV, but I won't get up today. Not me. Nothing's going to get me up. Why can't you understand? You will only waste your money if you hire a big brass band. That's why I say, please go away. I'm not going to get up today. I guess he really means it. So you can have the egg. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!